Hello, hello, hello. This is your boy, Professor Ward, and you are here to profit with Professor. This particular video is a shout out to my boy, trader, Casey Lewis. He's a new trader, I believe, in the world of trading. I think he was the one that told me that. But he follows me on my webinars, and so he asked me to take a look at AMC. I offer this to everybody on TradingView. If you guys want me to look at something, I will. So I just want to give him a shout out and say thank you for exposing the TradingView world to this particular opportunity here. And so I'm going to give you my feedback, case. All right. So everybody listen up, but I'm really just talking to Casey real quick. So Casey, what I see right now is that price action has started to move in the upside to the upside. This is what I'm calling the candlestick in charge here. What that basically means is that this is where we see curve beginning from the downside. So our pivot low is at 3.77. From the upside, unless we have an open and a close above $9.15, I'm assuming that this is the pivot high. And so this is my curve analysis. I believe price action is working within this range here. Very, very, very wide range. What has happened thus far is price range for AMC has already gone up and reached our institutional selling range. So you would have already capitalized here. It has come back down to demand, created new demand on the 1-day chart, which I've already mapped out. Based on this new demand, we have a possible entry once it pulls back of $4.10. Or you can put an entry here. I did not mean to put TP1 there. So let me change that real quick. That would be your other buy limit order if you want to get in. I don't have a buy limit order section on there, so let's just do this. 554. Let's call it 60. Let's do that. Actually, let's just do 5. All right, so let's go in here and let's do all 5s. So 555, and then I need to remove that. All right, perfect. There we go. So we have a buy limit order at 410 or another buy limit order if it pulls back to this area of support here. Then you guys can get in. If you're interested, you can get in at $5.55 and take it up. First place you can take it conservatively would be $6.33. You can get there really quickly, and not quickly, but you can just get there easily is what I meant to say. As far as timing, I don't know when AMC is going to do anything to cause the market to spike or cause the sale of this thing to increase. But whenever it does that, there is a opportunity right under mid pivot to capitalize and take profit or shave at $6.33. Now we do have a gap here, and when you have a gap like this, um, this is a gap typically done by professionals simply because when it gaps down, that's novices just kind of jumping out of something. But when it can press against that kind of pressure, then you have more professionals coming in and doing stuff like that. So this is more of a professional gap here. So I'm looking at this and thinking that this is going to cause more of uptrend when they get back in this area. But there's also going to be a fight because there was some downtrend momentum. So this here lets me know there's a huge fight here going on. So I marked it as resistance. And so because it's a strong area of resistance, once you get past mid pivot, the next area I would say to shave or to just close out would be $7. Because Casey, we have very strong resistance all the way across. If you look at the history books. All right, so going back to curve here, if they break past this resistance level, the last opportunity I foresee would be 807, but I'm going to lower that. This was a gap up, so we're going to go with the gap up, and we're going to let's do this here. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. $7.61. That'll be your last TP. $7.61. All right, 761. What I'm doing now is I want to get out at the distal body of the last biggest uptrend candle, which is this here, because they already went up here. And so I just want to make sure I clear anything out that's clean before it starts getting into, muddy waters up here. So that's it there. Let's get that deleted. Don't need that. All right, cool. So that's my analysis. Now, let me give you something more fundamental. This is my technical analysis, and something more fundamental would be this, and that is AMC is a part of the tech sector when it comes to the markets. As interest rates continue to go up, and as the economy continues to struggle, the tech sector is going to struggle. Why? Because we are feeling a little hurt in our pockets. And when people are hurting in their pockets, they don't go to movie theaters. They don't do a lot of fun stuff. So anything that's connected to entertainment or technology in any way, and AMC kind of goes into both of those uh, areas or industries. They kind of cross because they're entertainment, but also technology. Um, so looking at this here, I just don't foresee any strong movement unless they're coming out with something amazing that's going to cause this the value of the stock to go up, or they have something brewing in the future. I don't follow them, so I don't know the answer to that. I'm just giving you what I know about the market itself, and just to say, hey, this may move very slowly, but that's okay. It means you won't lose money fast. And here are some key levels that I've located for you. And hopefully this helps you. And you're already in the trade. So I want you to keep in contact with me and let me know how this trade worked out. I'm going to go ahead and post it. And for those of you who want to take this opportunity as well, I wish you all the best. God bless you all. And Casey, Lewis, once again, thank you for sharing this opportunity with the entire TradingView team. I am Professor Ward, and you are here to Profit with Professor. Have a blessed, 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 and wonderful evening. Take care.